Good morning. I'm gonna be doing DIY on faux locks. So we're gonna begin by sectioning our hair, taking our comb, and we're gonna use either jam or gel to make our part look even neater. So you section your hair into little boxes and you're going to single braid your natural hair like I just did. You're going to single braid your entire head from back to front in a box shape. So I'm going to show you guys how to single braid. You take the section that you made out of the larger section and then you separate it into threes. After separating it into threes, you grab the left side and flip it over the right hand. Then you take the right hand and flip it over the left hand. Hopefully the visual is able to see what I'm trying to explain. And then you just redo the process again. Split your section into half. Braid your natural hair into a box braid. And then use some moisturizer to lock your hair in. So you can either use grapeseed oil or hair butter, hair cream. Either one of those will work.
Okay, so there's our prep our hair for our faux locks. Now our next step, we're gonna go start getting our faux locks in. Hello, so we're gonna install the faux locks now. So I'm using blonde hair just to add some like blonde highlights. I'm not really doing too much with the blonde, like 4 to 5. But yeah, so I like the Jamaican twist brand by the Luxury Hair. Yeah, Jamaican twist brand. You like hair? Perfect. Love this brand. And then I'm using faux locks for my faux locks. 14 inches in color 1B. Gypsy Locs with the hooks. These was $6.99 at my local beauty supply store, and then the blonde ones was $5.99. So yeah, so I already did the back. Yeah, this is just like a temporary hairstyle for me, but let's continue how to do it. So all you need is your latch hook, your faux locks, and your twisty hair. Well, this is just if you want to, but you usually work with your faux locks. So we're gonna start with, take your latch hook, put it through the braiding hair downwards. There you go. Take your faux locks, open up this little like hook part. Get that there, right there. And you're gonna take this, latch it on to the opening. Let it sit right there. Good, good, good. And then we're gonna close it. Close it up and pull it through. Get the other side, hook it up. Make sure that it's closed. Pull it through. And then pull it all the way through. To the base of your hair, take your hair. Make sure it's there. Now you find, now you just twist it, you open it up, unravel it up, wrap, unravel, wrap, unravel, unwrap, unravel, unwrap. On the longest piece, take a small amount out, and then you tie it. So you tie it like this, you loop this around your finger. You hold it with this end, then you grab with this one. Then it goes through. It goes through right there, and then you tie it up. And you take a smaller piece off this big piece, small piece. Take it again, wrap it around, finger, lock, tie it up. for this hairstyle, I used 3-pack of the hair that I showed, and I had like leftover blonde hair, and that's what I just picked. So, and then I have some leftover what's it called, these little curly hair for crochet. I'm gonna add it in too, just to add a little bit more pizzazz to it. So just gonna pull this. Hold. Okay, I'm gonna so you're gonna take your hand like this, take your thumb, hold it in the back, hold it in the back, and then take this finger and hold it right here. And then you take your whole hand, this one, and then you just wrap, switch, and then you pick it up again, wrap, let it drop, under hand, take on top, wrap, under hand, wrap, pick it up, and you keep going down. To blend it in, you separate these two, you put your real hair between the fake hair and your real hair, and then you wrap it on top of it. And how tightly you wrap is how tight it's gonna be. If you wrap loose, that's how loose your faux locs is gonna look. So it's just depending on how you want the look to be. And like for these front ones, I like them to be tight, because you know, like the front of their hair is what people see. So yeah, just keep it like that. Typically for this kind of hair, like the kinky hair, twisting hair, that's what you burn. I don't burn like the faux locs pre-made ones. No, I burn when I do individual locks on my clients. That's what I burn, like I'm gonna show you guys right now. So you take the ends of your little thingy, you're doing it that way, so you can lock it all in and burn it up. You just wrap it with your hand, do a little fire burning, lock. Yep. Now we're done. And I'm just gonna go add some more of like a little gold jewels on my hair. You can add looks. Well, if you like this video, if you like little like styles like this, let me know. I can make a lot more. And thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.